everyone, and welcome to this Video Some Frontier video. My name is Jay Wakefield, and today we're going to have a look at a computer. Now this is going to be a wee computer project. This machine used to belong to Aberdeen Action on Disability, but they recently upgraded their equipment, and so now I have it. And I said that what I would do was I would do it up and you know, give it away on free cycle to someone who needs it. So let's have a look at what we're looking at. At the moment, this machine has got an AMD Sempron 1.8 GHz and a gig of memory. Quite slow, really, but it is DDR2, and this does seem to be a socket AM2 motherboard. Now, what we've also got is dual optical drives, one of which doesn't seem to be in the nicest of conditions. So I'm going to throw that out. We've got microphone and headphone jacks and 2 USB ports. On the rear of the machine, we have power supply, PS2 mouse and keyboard ports, NVIDIA graphics, so you've got DVI and VGA ports, IEEE 1284 parallel port, 4 USB 2 ports, IEEE 1394 Firewire, Gigabit Ethernet, microphone, speaker out and line in jacks, and then some blanked out blanking lights. So, let's have a look inside. So, what we have here is an Asus M2 NPV-VM. It seems to have PCI Express slots, and the AMD Sempron motherboard, and that 1 gig of RAM. There's 2 hard drives, the smallest form factor drive in the world, and a 200 gigabyte drive, both SATA, and then the optical drives, which are both IDE. And that's pretty much it. So, I've debanned the hard drives. So the idea here is what I plan to do with this computer is to upgrade it. I've ordered an AMD Athlon 64 processor, dual core. It's an Athlon 64 X2, 4000 plus, and the idea is I will drop it inside this computer and you know, hope to make it, you know, a wee bit more powerful. And I also plan to drop another optical drive in there. The idea is this machine will then be able to, I will then be able to pass this machine on as a very workable computer to someone who needs it. So that is the plan. And I thought this was a socket 939 board. You know, I thought I was going to put my old Athlon 64 in out of the 2006 custom built, but it turns out I could actually do so much more with this computer. So, that is basically the plan. Now at this moment I'm not going to switch on the machine because there's really nothing on it. So with that said, that is the end of this video, and it really has been a short one, certainly for me. So, what I'm doing now is I'm going to be waiting, and I'm going to be waiting on the new CPU coming in the mail. I have a cooler, which hopefully should work and should keep the processor nice and cool. And I will be installing, what am I on about? Let's try that again. Whoops! And of course, when that happens, I'll be videoing the installation of the new CPU. and see what I can do with it. Anyway, with that said, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please feel free to like us on Facebook and to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. The URLs will follow. Thank you for watching, and please join me for my next video.